The United States Supreme Court is grappling with a case that could significantly impact public health in the e-cigarette industry. At the heart of the matter is whether the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, acted lawfully when it rejected millions of flavored e-cigarettes from being sold in the U.S., citing concerns about nicotine addiction among young people. The tobacco industry argues that the FDA provided unclear and shifting requirements for new product applications, failing to give proper notice to companies. Eric Heyer, representing vape manufacturers, claimed that the FDA switched its position on what studies were required to show the product's benefits to existing smokers outweigh the risks to youth. Federal law mandates that sellers of new nicotine products provide regulators with scientific evidence demonstrating that their products would promote public health. However, the statute does not specify exactly what evidence is necessary or sufficient. The FDA's guidance on meeting this requirement is central to the case. During oral arguments, the Supreme Court justices appeared divided on the issue. Some, like Justice Clarence Thomas, seemed sympathetic to the vape manufacturers' argument that the FDA's guidance was a moving target. Justice Neil Gorsuch questioned whether the companies had been given fair notice on how to comply with the law. On the other hand, the court's three liberal justices appeared to share the government's view. They suggested that the FDA did not illegally move the goalpost during the process, and that the companies simply lacked the evidence to win approval. Justice Elena Kagan stated that there was not much mystery about what the FDA was doing, even if the industry disagreed with its reasoning. The public health implications of this case are significant. While vaping among youth is declining, more than 1.6 million children still use these products, with nearly 90% consuming illicit flavored brands. Public health experts credit the FDA's restrictions on flavored nicotine products with helping to reduce teenage vaping from epidemic levels just 5 years ago. Josie Shapiro, a youth ambassador for the Campaign for Tobacco-Free Kids, shared her personal experience of becoming addicted to nicotine at age 14 through flavored vapes. She emphasized the need for the FDA to regulate all flavored tobacco products and remove them from the market. The Supreme Court's decision in this case, expected by June 2025, could have far-reaching consequences. If the court sides with the vape manufacturers, it could pave the way for broader marketing and sale of flavored nicotine products. Conversely, a ruling in favor of the FDA would uphold the agency's authority to restrict these products in the interest of public health. As the justices deliberate, the balance between adult smokers' access to potentially less harmful alternatives and protecting youth from nicotine addiction hangs in the balance. The outcome of this case will likely shape the future of the e-cigarette industry and public health policy in the United States for years to come.